Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this healthy and delicious flaxseed laddu, which is packed with fiber and omega-3 fats. Let's get to the recipe. First up, in a pan, add 1 glass of flax seeds and dry roast them in a pan on low to medium flame. Keep mixing it throughout, and you need to roast them until you hear the tup sound. And make sure you don't put it on high flame because you can burn them. Flax seeds are really healthy. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. They can be used to improve digestive health, lower blood pressure, and bad cholesterol, reduce the risk of cancer, and may benefit people with diabetes. So this is a very healthy snack. Once it's roasted, you can move it to another container. In the same pan, add 3/4 glass of sesame seeds and dry roast them on low to medium flame until they change some color. Sesame seeds are a good source of healthy fats, protein, B vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, and other beneficial plant compounds. Regularly eating substantial portions of these seeds may aid in blood sugar control, combat arthritis pain, and lower cholesterol. Take around 1 to 2 spoons of the sesame seeds into another cup and keep it aside for later. Mix the rest of the roasted sesame seeds with the flax seeds, and now we're going to roast the peanuts. I used half a glass of peanuts and fry them on low to medium flame until they get roasted, and you can see a slightly color change. Peanuts are also really healthy. They're rich in protein, fat, and fiber. While peanuts may have a large amount of fat, most of the fats they contain are known as good fats. These kind of fats help lower your cholesterol levels. Peanuts are also an excellent source of magnesium. Once it's roasted, add it to the flax seeds and sesame seeds, and we're going to grind them all together. And make sure you do not overgrind it or else the nuts will release oil. This is how it should look like after you grind all of the ingredients together. And it's pretty crumbly right now, which is good. Move a few spoons of this grinded mixture into the grinder again, and it's time to add the jaggery. I'm using 1 cup of crushed jaggery. It's very important to add only a little bit of the mixture and grind it with the jaggery. This way everything can mix well, and then you can add it back to the entire mixture and mix it properly. Add 1/4 spoon of Elaichi powder and mix it with the rest of the ingredients. We can now add the sesame seeds that we kept aside into this mixture and mix it well. These sesame seeds will add a nice crunch when you bite into your laddu. Add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee and mix it with the mixture. To make it vegan, you can skip the ghee and add coconut oil instead. If you missed any of the ingredients, don't worry because I will link all of them in the description down below so you can make them anytime you want. Knead using your hands until it holds into a ball of mass. Keep kneading until you can make lemon-sized balls of flax seeds laddus. The heat in your hands will help all the ingredients to bind itself together. So resist adding more ghee and only add the extra ghee if you really need to. Roll them into lemon-sized balls and the flax seeds laddus are ready. They will remain fresh for up to 15 to 20 days at room temperature, but you need to store them in a clean, dry, and airtight container. Or you can store them in the refrigerator for a longer shelf life. They remain fresh for up to 2 to 3 months when kept under refrigeration. These laddus are full of nutrients. Not only kids but also the elderly can have them. You can eat 1 to 2 laddus a day, like one in the morning in brunch and one in the evening in supper. Sesame seeds are rich in the minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, copper, and etc. Flax seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, and they help lowering the cholesterol levels and lose weight. Not only are they healthy, they're also energy bites. Hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, make sure to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!